Your Volkswagen is built for a long life, filled with fun and memories waiting to be made. Keep your Volkswagen ready. Follow the Volkswagen recommended maintenance schedule. Every 10,000 miles, we'll replace your oil and filter using VW-approved synthetic oil and filters. We'll complete a multi-point inspection to find any problems before they cause a serious issue. We'll check your brakes to keep you and your family safe for the miles ahead. And finally, we'll make additional recommendations based on how you use your VW. Trust us to keep you moving.